Miami, Florida is one of the most vulnerable major cities on the east coast of the United States for the threats from sea level rise. Not only is it a low-lying city, but it is also located in a region that experiences a high volume of hurricanes and tropical storms. Sea levels are projected to rise between 1 and 4.3 feet by the year 2100. This will cause parts of the greater Miami area to be flooded. In addition to this, it will also increase the number of days that the city experiences tidal or nuisance floods. These floods will impact the area even when there is no tropical cyclone impacting the area. This increase in sea level rise will cause storm surge from hurricanes to flood a larger area. This will make the deadliest part of hurricanes even more deadly for the Miami region, requiring more people to evacuate before hurricanes and accentuating the damage caused by hurricanes that hit the area. This will cause even the storm surge from a tropical storm to become more dangerous and deadly. To combat this, the city of Miami will need to raise its infrastructure to be elevated so that nuisance floods and storm surge do not destroy them. In addition to this, the city of Miami should try to assist in relocating people living in the areas of the city that are most prone to this increase in flooding from rising sea levels.